The Lombard language, in all its variants, is a linguistic treasure brimming with history, culture, and identity. Spoken by millions at the heart of Europe, roughly within the same area that the Duchy of Milan occupied in the 14th century, this language acts as a bridge to the past and a vital link for today's communities. With deep roots and an evolution spanning centuries, Lombard stands out not just for its auditory beauty, but also for its cultural significance. It is the voice of a region that has played a pivotal role in the economic, social, and cultural history of Italy and the whole of Europe. Despite its importance, Lombard is classified by UNESCO as a language at risk of extinction. It has its own ISO code that attests to its uniqueness and significance. This classification highlights the urgency to preserve, protect, and promote the language, ensuring its words, sounds, and stories continue to live. Speaking Lombard or hearing it in the streets, homes, among friends, or within families is not merely a means of communication, but an act of conserving an intangible heritage. It's a way to strengthen ties to our roots and share an identity that, despite the challenges of globalization, remains distinctive and strong. Today, more than ever, it is essential to recognize that Lombard is not a dialect of Italian, but a full-fledged language with immense value. It is a powerful tool for connecting people, celebrating cultural diversity, and fostering intercultural understanding. We encourage everyone, Lombards and non-Lombards alike, to discover the beauty of this language, to explore its richness, and to contribute to its vitality. Through our awareness, interest, and commitment to speaking it, the Lombard language will continue to thrive, connecting the past, present, and future.